The upcoming iPhone SE4 has stirred up excitement in the tech community, with leaks suggesting that Apple is preparing to make major upgrades to this popular budget model. The first set of leaks about the device came from well-known industry insider Sonny Dixon. His dummy unit leaks offered a tangible glimpse into the phone's design, marking a major departure from previous models. Dixon's leaks hinted at a larger form factor with thinner bezels and a much bigger display than the current iPhone SE. Unlike the older models, which maintained the traditional home button and Touch ID, the dummy units suggested that this new model would feature a notch similar to Apple's flagship devices. The leaked dummy models also hinted at the phone adopting Face ID, signaling the end of the home button era for this line. The dummy units leaked by Dixon also suggested the possibility of two versions, a regular version with a 6.1-inch screen and a Plus model with a 6.7-inch display, much like the higher-end iPhone 14 series. Camera enhancements are among the most exciting leaks regarding the iPhone SE4. Sources indicate that the upcoming model could feature a 48-megapixel main camera, a significant upgrade from the current model's 12-megapixel sensor. This change is crucial, as it would allow for better detail in photographs and enable 2x optical quality zoom through cropping, as noted by Apple Track. Furthermore, the inclusion of night mode for low-light photography is highly anticipated, addressing a notable shortcoming of previous SE models. Makotakara, a Chinese website via Alibaba sources, leaked images of a 3D printed mock-up of the iPhone SE4, revealing its design and confirming several key features. The images show that the SE4 will have dimensions matching the iPhone 14, including a 6.1-inch screen size. Notably, the mock-up highlights the transition to a USB-C port, aligning with Apple's shift away from Lightning connectors. The phone will have slim edges measuring just 2 millimeters from the body to the display, giving it a sleek and modern aesthetic. Makotakara's sources also indicated that Apple initially considered developing both a 6.1-inch model and a 6.7-inch variant, similar to the iPhone 14 Plus, but ultimately decided to focus only on the 6.1-inch version. The mock-up also shows a slightly smaller rear camera and a repositioned ring or mute button, suggesting further design tweaks. The leaked images provided additional details about the SE4's design evolution, confirming the presence of a notch and slim bezels, along with a flat-edge design similar to the iPhone 12 and later models. Moving away from curved edges, the phone will likely have a more premium appearance with a glass back, suggesting wireless charging capability. Furthermore, the absence of a Touch ID sensor in the images hints that the SE4 will support Face ID, marking a significant step in unifying the user experience across Apple's lineup. The iPhone SE4 is rumored to be powered by the A18 Bionic chipset, which would significantly enhance its processing capabilities. Furthermore, the introduction of Apple's first in-house 5G modem is anticipated to improve connectivity, offering faster and more reliable internet access for users. Apple suppliers are set to begin mass production of the fourth-generation iPhone SE in December 2024, according to a blog post by supply chain analyst Ming-Chi Kuo. This marks a significant development for Apple's more affordable iPhone lineup, with an estimated 8.6 million units projected to be produced from December 2024 to first quarter 2025. The iPhone SE4 is expected to impact iPhone shipments in the first half of 2025, possibly contributing to a less favorable product mix. As for pricing, the current model starts at $429, but several leaks suggest that the next version might see a price increase. Due to the significant upgrades in design, display, camera, and overall performance, rumors point to a new starting price of $500. How do you feel? about the potential price increase. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech leaks.